At just 17 years old, while most teens are stuck in school or scrolling through social media, one teenager decided to do something different. He found a way to turn his free time and a Wi-Fi connection into a steady monthly income. The best part? No investment, no fancy laptop, no secret formula. Meet Ali, a regular student from a small town. No special skills, no tech background. But one day he stumbled across a video about freelancing, signed up on Fiverr and Upwork. At first, he offered basic services, like removing image backgrounds, designing simple Instagram posts, or doing quick research. Jobs that anyone could do with free tools like Canva and ChatGPT. His first gig? It's a $5 background removal task. It's not much, but it was a start. And that small win gave him the motivation to learn more. He improved his profile, learned to write better gig descriptions, and deliver faster. Soon, he was making $100 a week, then $200. Within 3 months, Ali was earning over $1,500 per month from home. His tips for beginners? Start with simple services. Use free tools to improve quality, respond quickly, and build trust. Never stop learning. Today, Ali is proof that age doesn't matter. You don't need money to start. You just need internet, consistency, and a mindset to grow. If he can do it, why not you? Subscribe for more real stories and step-by-step guides on how to start earning online. No fluff, just results.